Good afternoon, welcome to a video from Vauxhall Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Today we're showcasing our fresh into stock Vauxhall Insignia 2.0 CDTI diesel automatic SRI with nav, sport brake. So 2-litre diesel SRI with navigation, sport brake with an automatic gearbox, finished in metallic black, covered 89,000 miles, had the cam belt done at 80,000 miles, as you can see, tow bar, privacy glass, rear park sensors, alloy wheels, front park sensors, daytime running lights, got the piano black on the dashboard and the door cappings, cloth seats, but they're the sport seats because it is the SRI, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, automatic. I think it's got 8 services, got a very good service history, including the cam belt done at 80,000 miles. Lovely and clean example, huge boot on these. It's one of the biggest load covers in there. One of the biggest boots we see in any state car. Cavernous, lots and lots of room in there. So 89,000 miles, great service history, as I say, at least 8 services in the book. 2-litre diesel, SRI, automatic sport brake. Price £6,995. A lot of estate car for the money on a 2015. In lovely condition. I've just driven it. Drives really well. Lovely multifunction steering wheel. Big sat nav. Electric handbrake, DAB radio, Bluetooth, music playback and phone. Sport seats, lots of adjustments and lumbar supports on the seat. You get yourself really comfy. So £6,995, what a lot of estate car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock, or please go to our Facebook or Instagram, Vauxhall Motor Company, to see our cars on there. If you do, please follow, like, subscribe, it really helps us. Now this video and nearly 2,000 other car videos are hosted on Vauxhall Motor Company 5243, Vauxhall Motor Company 5243 YouTube channel. If you head over to the YouTube channel and you subscribe, you will be the first to get a little notification to your phone or tablet every time we upload a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.